So guys, we're gonna try how yummy tasty is. Inside is this. It's so yummy. Now be folding. And I'm Chef Qasim Khan. So today we're making Moli paranta. That means potato sisters paranta. It's gonna be very delicious, very yummy, and you've never seen this video before. You've never seen this cooking. I mean, now we're gonna make it for you. Let's go. Very simple, just one ingredient. That's it. Let's cook. So this is 2 parsnips. And this one's spices. And this one's plain flour atta. So now we're starting. Small one, no big, small, like this size. This one's big and this one's small, we use small. Look small. And now we're going to put it inside there. Now we're going to remove water. Now it's dry, just remove water. So now we're going to put it in the plate. And then after we're mixing a little bit. And after we're going to put inside ghee. Let's see spices. Salt. We're adding salt. And this one chili powder. Coriander powder. So this one's garam masala. We're adding pinch. 2 tablespoons oil. 1. And this is 2. 1 more. And I'm after mixing. Look, a good mix. So now we're gonna take atta, make it into a bowl. And we're putting here 1 bowl, and I'm after we're making not a bowl, 2 bowls. We're putting here, and we're mixing with flour. 1 done here, we're mixing here. And we're rolling it to a bowl. We're rolling now. So now we're rolling. We keep rolling. So now we're going to put inside. Spreading. A little bit more. So now you put in the toppings. We're getting ghee, 1 tablespoon ghee, half tablespoon is spreading, and now we're putting this. So now this is one done. It's not done, we have to make it cooked. We're covering this part. And now we're gonna put in some. We're putting here. One side is done. It looks beautiful, very nice. Too much steam is coming out. So guys, it's done. Well, Allah, so yummy, so delicious. Also with chutney. So guys, we're gonna try how yummy tasty is. Inside is this. It's so yummy, so delicious. Then be folding. And now we're gonna taste. Very nice. It's so delicious. Please like, subscribe, share, family, friends. You must try this yummy food. It's so delicious. Oh la la, so yummy, so delicious. And you can make it for everybody. Okay, bye guys, bye.